How to change your Instagram password. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Access menu. Once on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines, menu, in the top right corner. Open Settings. From the menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. Search for Change Password. In the Settings page, use the search bar to type Change Password. Select Change Password option. Tap on the Change Password option when it appears. Enter current and new password. Enter your current password in the first field. Type your new password in the second field. Re-enter the new password in the third field to confirm it. Save changes. After entering the passwords, tap on the Change Password button. Your password will now be updated. If you forgot your password, tap on the Forgot Password option on the login screen. A reset link will be sent to your registered email. Open your email, click on the reset link, and set a new password. That's it. You've now successfully changed or reset your Instagram password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.